In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Analytics and Google Search Console. By the end, you'll have these two powerful tools talking to each other so you can see organic search insights directly inside Google Analytics. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, you have a GA4 property for your site, and your site is verified in Google Search Console. Having editor or admin access in Analytics and owner-level access in Search Console will make this smooth. Start by opening your Google Analytics account. From the main interface, look to the lower left corner and click the admin gear icon to open the settings area. In the property column, find the section labeled Product Links. This is where Google lets you connect Analytics with other products. Click Product Links, then select Search Console Links. You'll see an option to start a new connection. Click to begin, then choose Account. Here, you'll select the Search Console property that matches your website. If you manage multiple sites or domains, pick the one that aligns exactly with the site in your Analytics property. After selecting it, click Confirm. Next, you'll be asked to select a web stream. This should be the GA4 data stream that corresponds to the same site you just chose in Search Console. Double-check the URL and protocol, such as HTTPS versus HTTP, and make sure the domain or subdomain is an exact match. Select the correct web stream to ensure clean, accurate data mapping. Now it's time to review and submit. You'll see a summary of the link you're about to create. Carefully check all the details, the property name, the site URL, and the web stream you selected. Accuracy here matters because mismatched selections can lead to missing or misleading data. If everything looks good, submit the link. That's it, the connection is set. Data doesn't appear instantly, so give it some time. It can take a day or two before Search Console insights populate in Analytics. If you don't see the right property during setup, make sure you're using the same Google account across both tools, confirm you have the required permissions, and verify that you're working in a GA4 property rather than an older Universal Analytics view. By linking these platforms, you'll be able to combine search queries and landing page performance with on-site behavior, helping you diagnose SEO opportunities and measure what matters most. Thanks for watching, and feel free to recheck each step if anything doesn't look right before you submit.